Okay, quick little video with this very exciting item. These are original Bead Factory jump rings in bags of 100. It may just look like a sea of plastic bags, but it's very exciting. These are all from the Bead Factory from the 2000s, 2010s, to about 2014. And I'm going to have them available in the store this weekend, all at their original price that you can see is 85 cents, $1.95, $3.95 for bags of 100. I went through each bag to make sure it was all that jump ring. I weighed them all to make sure the count was right. So, but more exciting than the price to me is that these jump rings were being made in the USA at this point. We still use the same supplier, but they now manufacture in Korea. But these were all manufactured in the US. And so just the quality, like everything, the quality was better. And so if you want a chance to get just the very best quality plated jump rings for chainmail or all your jewelry making at crazy prices, then come down and join us this weekend and grab them while you can. And please, 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 nobody call or text me and say they'll take them all, kind of thing. That's not fair. If you want them, come down and select them in person. And that's just one of the beauties of the new Bead Stashery, is so that every time you come down, there's something very exciting to see. That's a great deal. And I'm not going to share everything, but things like this, I want to put a little post out. So thanks so much, and I'll see you soon. Sparkle brightly.